My channel was removed from YouTube. No warning, no strike, just a message from YouTube telling me that my channel was removed because of spam and deceptive practices. After months of research, I now know the reason for the removal, and today I'm going to show you the reason why my channel was removed and how I got it reinstated back on YouTube. Let me explain. Early last year, I was so motivated that I wanted to create a new YouTube channel. So January last year, I created a new YouTube channel and I started posting consistently. I wasn't sleeping, I was editing my videos that same day and I'm posting it that same day. I was posting videos almost every single day, and YouTube noticed this because it was very hard for YouTube to know if I was a human or a robot, because I was posting every single day with such a high quality video. My videos being very high quality, they were like, is this channel being controlled by a robot? Because this is very inhuman for somebody to be making a video and still posting it that same day. So they were like, this channel doesn't even have a face behind it. They were like, okay, let's delete this channel. And I woke up one morning only to find out that my channel has been removed from the YouTube platform because of spam, deceptive and scam policy. I was like, what? Because I know I was following all of YouTube policy. I was strictly following all their guidelines and policies. So I knew that that channel was deleted by mistake and I didn't do anything wrong. Immediately I ran to WhatsApp. One of my friends, he actually stays in India. His name on YouTube back then was YT Teacher. He had around 700k subscribers, so he had a lot of knowledge about YouTube. So I messaged him and I told him that my channel was removed from YouTube. Just like that, I didn't do anything, no strikes, no warning. They just removed it from YouTube. And he told me that I should send my YouTube channel link to him. So immediately I copied my YouTube channel link and I sent it to him. So when I sent my YouTube channel link to him, he told me that I should just give him a few days and my channel will be restored back on YouTube. Luckily for me, the next day he messaged me and told me that my YouTube channel has been restored. And I should go and check. I was like, what are you doing? Are you joking with me or what? I went back to check my channel and my channel was back on YouTube with a message from my Gmail telling me that my channel was being deleted by mistake, that the removal of my channel was a mistake, and to make things right, they have put my channel back on YouTube. So I actually thought that why will YouTube just remove my channel, and because of just an appeal they put it back. So after I did my research, I found out that the reason that triggered this removal of my channel was because I was uploading too much. I wasn't giving my channel breathing space. So instead of them shadow banning my channel, they just deleted my channel so that I can appeal. They wanted me to appeal so that they can know if I am actually a human being uploading these videos or I was a robot. So after the appeal, immediately they reinstated the channel, and I got to find out that the reason that triggered most of these problems was because I was stuffing too many tags in my description, too many hashtags. Please, if you're stuffing too many hashtags in your description, please stop it, because YouTube might delete your channel. Do not stuff hashtags. Anything hashtag, you should just leave it at 5. Do not exceed 10 hashtags. If you exceed 10 hashtags, they will just delete your channel. They will remove your channel. So I noticed that I was stuffing too many hashtags in my description. The second reason I felt that channel was deleted was because I thought I was supposed to post consistently. Everybody usually tell me that post consistently. If you want to grow big on YouTube, post consistently. So I was posting my videos consistently without even verifying my advanced features. So I was thinking maybe if I just started posting consistently, the algorithm is going to favor my videos and push it to a larger audience. Of course, they favored my videos and pushed it to a larger audience after I reinstated my channel. But before I reinstated my channels, most of my videos were getting around 50 views, 100 views, until my channel got deleted. And it was a very painful experience, because I won't want anybody to experience such a thing. Just waking up one morning, all your hard work and effort all just gone to waste. Like, those moments wasn't funny at all. I was just thinking of my life. I was like, all this effort I've been posting every day, trying so that I can edit the video throughout the night. I won't sleep, my eyes will be red in the morning, and people will start asking me what happened. Did I go for night vigil? And the truth is that I didn't mean that channel was not put back on YouTube. I was planning on just stopping YouTube throughout that year. I was planning on not even creating any other channel. But thank God, with the help of my friend, it was put back on YouTube. And later on, I got to find out how to reinstate any other channel in case they get deleted again. So I later did my research and found an appeal to reinstate any of my channel in case something ever happened to me again. And of course, it happened to most of my channels, and I was able to put it back on YouTube. And after I put it back on YouTube, YouTube never deleted my channel again. Once I reinstate the channel, they are not going to tamper with that channel. That restriction they had on my channel, those restrictions they had on the channel, they are going to remove it. They are going to remove eyes from that channel because they feel that, okay, yeah, you have given them what they want. You have proved to them that you're a human being uploading these videos on the platform. So if you want to create a new channel, it is best for you to unlock your advanced features. Just do the verification, your phone number verification and your advanced features verification. You can use your face in doing those. Make sure you're verified for all the 3 options. So if you want to know how to restore your channel in case it gets deleted from YouTube, I'm going to leave the link in the description. But if I don't leave the link in the description, you can check out my channel and you're going to see the video there. That'll be all for today. If this video was helpful or if it was valuable, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.